Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. So we are from Group 3, Class NBF1M, and for this presentation, we will be sharing about our financial accounting project based on a real small business, Asfa Muslimah Salon. Okay. This salon is a Sharia compliant beauty business and we choose it to better understand how financial accounting works in a sole proprietorship setting. Each of us will present different part of the topic and we hope it give a clear overview of what we have learned throughout this course. So this is our group group members. We have Ayu ANIESA, Nurul Basirah, Nik BATRISHYIA, that's me, Nurul SHAFIRA. Okay, so we go to the next slide. Alright, why we choose Asfa Muslimah Salon? Okay, Asfa Muslimah Salon have a great example, a real world small business that's operate under a sole proprietorship. It provides Sharia compliant beauty and wellness services, especially for Muslim women. This project helps us learn how a small business records and report income, expenses, and capital in a simple but practical way. Alright, we go to the background of the business. Okay, background of the business Asfa Muslimah Salon. Asfa Muslimah Salon is owned by Tuan Nur Asfalila, which is located in Bandar Baru Salak Tinggi, which is in Sepang. So it started in 2022 and upgraded in services in 2021. The business registered as a sole proprietorship with a capital 30,000 ringgit. The operating hours are from Wednesday to Sunday from 10:30 until 5:30. So next, we go to business characteristic, which is a sole proprietorship. Alright. Asfa Muslimah Salon is a sole proprietorship, which means it's owned and managed by one individual. The type of business gives full control to the owner, but also means the owner carries unlimited liability for any debts. The profit and loss fully belong to the owner alone. The owner invested 30,000 ringgit to start the business without any external loans. For bookkeeping, the business uses basic cash book, ledger, and inventory tracking. So the simple system helps the owner manage income and expenses efficiently, even without a formal accounting system. So we go to the accounting classification. I will pass to Basirah.
My part is accounting clarifications. So what is asset? Asset is an item of property owned by a person or company regarding and has having value and available to meet debts, commitment or legacies. Okay, two main category of asset is non-current asset and current asset. Okay, what is current asset? Current asset is the asset that easily convert into cash value and is not fixed. Example, in Asfa Muslim Salon is cash in hand 5,000, account receivable 1,500, and inventory salon suppliers 1,200. Okay, so next is liabilities. Liabilities and is an obligations and is reported on a company balance sheets. Two main categories of liabilities, which is non-current liability and current liability. Okay, what is non-current liabilities? Debts that must be paid after one accounting period. And current liabilities is debt that must be paid off within one accounting period. Example, which is account payables 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so next is honest equity. Honest equity is one of the three main components of sole properties. Honest equity represents the owner investments in the business. Example is capital 30,000. Next, I will pass to Safir.
Next, I'm going to present about expenses and revenue or classification of business item. The revenue of the Aswa Salon Muslimah involve various costs. The most significant is staff salary. They also pay for rental of the premise, which is located in the Bandar Baru Salak Tinggi. Next is utility bill, including electricity and water. The salon the salon need to buy halal certified product for hair, skin and spa treatment, which is under the key of the expenses. Other expenses include increment maintenance and purchasing daily supplier like towel, glove and sanitizer. Other than that, they also invest in marketing, especially to platforms like Facebook and Instagram. That they also provide training to staff to keep improving service quality. Next, let's look at the revenue. Asfa Muslimah Salon earn money through several core services, including hair cutting, hair styling, and various hair treatment. They also offer facial and skincare service using halal certified product to ensure that their service meet Islamic requirement. Another source of revenue come from traditional Malay spa treatment, which are the most popular requests among customers seeking both relaxation and cultural touch. The salon also provide hair coloring and perming service using safe and high quality product. They may also earn extra money through the sale of the halal beauty and skincare product, although this depends on the business model. By managing this revenue and expense carefully, the salon can maintain sustainability and grow. Next, I'm going to pass to Ayu.
In accounting, source documents are the original required that provide evidence of business transaction. For a salon like Asfa Muslimah Salon, this could be a receipt issued to a customer after a hair treatment, an invoice from a supplier delivering halal certified skincare products, or a utility bill for monthly expenses. These documents act as a proof that a transaction took place and help ensure accuracy when the details are recorded later in the accounting system. Although they may seem basic, maintaining organized and complete source document is crucial because they form the foundation of every other step in the accounting process. For recording transaction in the journal, all transactions are recorded chronologically in a general journal, either manually or through accounting software. Next is posting ledger. Posting to ledger accounts information from the journal is transferred to individual ledger accounts such as cash, sales, rent expense, and supplies. Next to Basirah. Next is the preparing a trial balance. A trial balance must be prepared to ensure that the total debts equal to total credits, helping to identify any errors. Making adjustment entries, adjustment for items like repair expenses or accurate liabilities. And the last is preparing financial statements based on adjusted in and these financial statements such as income statement, statement of owner equity, and also balance sheets. So I will pass the slide to Ayu. First three, simplicity and cost effectiveness. The recording process is straightforward and does not require complex system, making it easy to manage and affordable for small business owners. Second is owner control. Since the owner directly manage and oversees the record, they have full visibility and control over the financial health of the business. Third is flexibility in operation. The business can customize its recording method based on its specific needs without being tied to rigid accounting standards or audit requirements. Next is basic financial insight. Even without full financial statement, the use of cash book, sales log, and expense tracking provides enough insight to guide day-to-day decision making. Next is cultural and ethical alignment. By tracking inventory,
like halal certified products, the business aligns financial record with its ethical and religious commitment. Um, then we go to weaknesses. Despite its strange, this company also have lack of formality and standardization. Without standardized accounting practices or audited report, there's a high risk of error, inconsistent or incomplete data. Second is limited financial analysis. The absence of detailed report, like profit margin break-even analysis, may restrict long-term financial planning and performance evaluation. Next is higher risk of fraud or mismanagement. Where records are maintained manually or informally, there is less in control, which may lead to unintentional mistakes or even misappropriation of funds. Then, difficulties in securing financing. Bank and invest investors often require formal financial statement. Lack of this document may hinder the business from obtaining loans or attracting investors. Lastly, time consuming for owner. Managing records personally takes time away from strategic tasks like marketing, customer service, and business development. Next to Shafira.
Okay, sorry. So last is conclusion. Asfa Muslimah Salon is a business that's not only provide beauty service but also promote Islamic value through its operation. From the financial side, we can see that salon earn income from a variety of professional beauty treatment, while its expenses are focused on staff, facility, and quality maintenance. As a recommendation, I suggest that Asfa Muslimah Salon implement a digital accounting system and example bookkeeping to help speed up and speed the recording process. They should also continue providing training for their staff, not just for service skill, but also in understanding the basics of business, operation, and customer handling. With this approach, the business can continue to grow while maintenance is strong, value, and professionalism.
All right. So to conclude, Asfa Muslimah Salon is a good example of how sole proprietorship in a real world setting. So this project we have learned important to record financial transaction properly even in small business. It also gave us better understanding of how accounting element like asset, liabilities and owner's equity work together. Thank you for your watching our presentation. We truly appreciate your time and feedback. Thank you.